We sell genuine GM parts at a wholesale price. We are able to sell this superior product at a wholesale price because we have simplified the parts ordering process with our online catalog. You'll be able to search for any item on your GM vehicle using the same catalog information as the GM dealer. We're able to process your order quickly and efficiently so you're able to save money. We also have a large inventory of parts with over 20 parts distribution centers across the country that can ship direct to you, in addition to the $10 million in parts inventory in Texas alone. You can contact us by phone, email, or Facebook. We look forward to supplying you with your genuine GM parts. Thank you.